Class 8th Navneet assignment SS question number 2C give reason of the following statement. Any 2 out of 3 है. क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क के आंसर है आप लोग के. चैप्टर नंबर 1 The Portuguese come to be known as the Lord of the Sea. आंसर है आप लोग का. It was Portugal that kicked off what has come to be known as the Age of Discovery in the mid 1400s. Second, the westernmost country in India. In Europe, Portugal was the first to significantly probe the Atlantic Ocean, colonizing the Azores and other nearby islands, then braving the west coast of Africa. अगर आप लोग को इसका लिखा हुआ पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए, हम आपको इसका लिखा हुआ भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, ठीक है. और जिसे नहीं चाहिए उसके लिए कोई बात नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 द ब्रिटिश बिकम द पावर रूलर्स ऑफ बंगाल आफ्टर द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर. The Battle of Buxar was fought between the British and the joint armies of the Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Awadh, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam in the year 1764 AD. The British won these wars as per the treaties and end of the war. The British gained the Diwani right to collect land revenue from Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. Thus, after winning the Battle of Buxar, the British gained Diwani right and become the power ruler of Bengal. ठीक है. Chapter 2 Bengal, which we known as the storehouse, was rendered empty and improvised. Answer है आप लोग का. The farmer was exploited due to the Permanent Settlement Act because farmer had to compulsorily pay the land revenue decided by landlords. So whether there was a good harvest or not, the farmer had to pay fixed amount to the landlord. This landlord would practice atrocities on farmer to collect land revenue. Farmers were exploited to the great extent due to the permanent settlement. Rich landlord would buy land for the impoverished farmers. So the Bengal, which was known as the storehouse. Okay. नंबर 2 द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट अरेस्टेड बिरसा मुंडा. आंसर है आप लोग का. ड्यूरिंग द रिवॉल्यूशन बिरसा अर्डेंस argued people of his tribe to live according to their proud past and to settle on for farming. The Munda tribes used to listen to and following whatever Birsa said. The Birsa was afraid that due to Birsa revolt, the tribal people would establish Munda Raj under the leadership of Birsa in the region around Chota Nagpur. When the effect of Birsa revolt spread, the British arrested Birsa in 1895 AD after falsely accusing him of creating hindrance in the management of the state by the government. Okay. Chapter 3 है आप लोग का. Chapter 3 का है Indian soldiers refused to use Enfield rifles. Before the cartridges could be loaded into the new Enfield rifle, their crop had to broken off with the teeth. A rumor had been doing the round of the army barrack of Bengal in January 1857 that cow and pig geese had been used in the caps of the cartridges of the new Enfield rifles. Cows are scared to Hindus, so their meat is forbidden to them, while Muslims consider pigs unholy, so forth. Pig fat was abhorred to them. Consequently, the Indian soldiers of both communities refused to use the greased cartridges for fear of losing their religion. Now second number है मंगल पांडे become the first martyr of the first war of independence of 1857 AD. मैं आपको एक बार वापस से कह रही हूँ, अगर आप लोग को इसका पीडीएफ इसका लिखा हुआ चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए, हम इसका आपको सॉल्यूशन भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, ठीक है. बड़े क्वेश्चन आंसर, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर, जो भी आपको जिसका भी लिखा हुआ चाहिए हम आपको हर का सॉल्यूशन भेज देंगे. इसका आंसर है आपका मंगल पांडे का. ऑन मार्च 29 1857 द इंडियन सोल्जर ऑफ द बरकपुर आर्मी एरिया इन बंगाल रिफ्यूज्ड टू द यूज the greased cartridge, so English officer ordered the whole platoon to leave the barrack At that time, a soldier named Mangal Pandey ran toward British officer Major Hewson. Major Hewson gave the order to arrest Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey shot dead British officer Sergeant Major Hewson. Thereafter, he also shot and killed the Major died L.T. Bug. So, Mangal Pandey was arrested, sentenced to death, and hanged on 8 April 1857. As a result, Mangal Pandey is considered to be the first martyr of the First War of Independence of 1857. चैप्टर 3 तक मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट ये पार्ट में करा दिया है। नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मैं आप लोग को चैप्टर 4 से कराऊंगी। अगर आप लोग को इसका लिखा हुआ पीडीएफ चाहिए, इसका सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए, हम आपको इसको प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। ठीक है, तो चलो, इसके पहले भी हमको एक बच्चे ने गुजराती का पीडीएफ मांगा था, हमने उसको दे दिया। तो इसमें मांगने से आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि हम नहीं देंगे। आप एक बार कमेंट कीजिए, हम आपको उसका सॉल्यूशन ज़रूर देंगे। मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।